Hi everybody, welcome to STEM. Today we're going to be doing something called a walking rainbow. So what you're going to need is 7 cups about this size that are clear works the best. You could use a bigger cup, but this is so you can really see what's going on. So I put them all in a line just like this. And so I have 7 total. Then you're going to need 6 paper towels about this size. So I know they're hard to come by, but do your best. And you're going to fold them in half twice. So I'm going to take this one, fold it lengthwise, and fold it again a second time lengthwise. So it should look like this. I fold it once, and I fold it twice, and then I'm going to fold it once in the middle and crease it. So it should look like this. You're going to need 6 of those. Then you're going to need food coloring, and liquid works the best. I have primary colors. So they are our yellow, blue, and red. And then we're also going to need, I got 2 big cups of water. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your water and you're going to pour it in your first cup and fill it up about like this. Then you're going to skip a cup, and then you're going to take your next cup and you're going to fill it up, and then you're going to skip a cup, and then you're going to take your next cup and fill it up. I'm going to need some more water. And then you're going to skip your next cup, and then your last cup you're going to fill it up as well, okay? So you should have 4 full cups and 3 empty cups. And remember, it goes full, empty, full, empty, full, empty, full. So then you're going to take your food coloring. Now I'm going to start with red, and I'm going to take my first full cup, and I'm going to put about 3 drops of food coloring in there. I'm going to set it down, and then I'm going to take my next full cup, and I'm going to take either blue or yellow. It doesn't really matter at this point. And I'm going to put about 3 drops of yellow food coloring. And then I'm going to skip my next cup, and I'm going to take my blue or yellow, whichever you chose, my blue food coloring, and put about 3 drops. And then I'm going to take my skipped cup and go to my full cup, and I'm going to take my red again and put 3 more drops in there. So I should have my full cups with color in them. So we're going to take our paper towels, and these are going to work like plants. So we're going to do something today called capillary action. Can you say that? Very good. So when you talk about capillary action, this is what plants do. They take water and they shoot it up their plant root, right? So they kind of work against gravity, which is really cool. So when they're taking the water to feed that plant, remember when we get rain and our grass gets greener, our plants get bigger, that's because they've used capillary action, and that water has gone up the plant shoot. So these paper towels are fibrous like a plant would be, and they have capillary tubes like a plant would have. So they're going to take that water and shoot it up the paper towel. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper towel, fold it in half, and you can't see on this side very well, but you're going to put the first end in the red water and put the next end in the empty cup. Then you're going to take your next one, and you're going to put the one side in the empty cup and the other side in the yellow water. Then you're going to take the next one, put half in the yellow water, half in the empty cup, and the next one half in the empty cup, half in the blue water, and the next one is going to go half in the blue water, half in the empty cup, and then the next one is half in the empty cup and half in the red water. So it's going to take some time to do this, but it should take maybe an hour, maybe 2 at the very most. Some paper towels work faster than others, so it just depends on your paper towel. So as you can already tell, the water is already traveling up the paper towel. So what's going to happen is it's going to keep traveling, and you're going to get something like this. So this is our walking rainbow. So if you notice, we had red, blue, and yellow. Those are our primary colors. But what happened is our water traveled up and used that capillary action. And now if you notice, each cup is half full. It was 4 cups that were full. And what I did is I took the red one out and made a circle. So I have 1 red cup instead of 2. Does that make sense? Okay. So what happened is each cup now is half full of water. And you can see that my paper towels changed colors. So my yellow and my red made orange. That's a secondary color, because remember, our primary colors, when they come together, make secondary colors. So then my yellow and my blue came together and made green. That's right. And then my blue and my red came together and made a very dark purple. So as you can see, my rainbow walked around all by itself using capillary action. So I really want to see yours. I want to see how awesome you're going to make yours. And it's going to take a little bit of time. You can see my water's already walking up, but the water walked and went into a different cup. Because remember, we had 4 full cups and now we have 6 half cups. That is crazy. So when you finish, I would love for you to send your pictures to Miss Alyssa Hritzik. I believe her email has been, she's been emailing you guys, so you should have her email. And if you don't, just let me know. But I would love to see yours, and I'm so excited to see what you guys do. Have a great day. I hope you have fun. Bye, guys.